Today I'm here to talk about homeobotanical remedies. Homeobotanical remedies were created by Dr. Brian Murray in 1984. He and many other naturopaths from New Zealand created the scientifically prepared botanical formulations. Really, it's a marriage between homeopathy and botanical medicine. Dr. Murray felt that many of his patients were unable to access affordable health care in New Zealand, and he decided to see if it was possible to take the principles of homeopathy, blend them with botanical medicine, and in small, minute doses blend them together for specific ailments to see if they could treat different kinds of medical conditions. And through much of the evidence, through many of the patient reports coming from many of the naturopaths in and all over New Zealand, they discovered that this new method of botanical medicine, known as dynamic phytotherapy, but now called homeobotanical remedies, was very, very successful. This whole idea has spread beyond New Zealand to the United Kingdom, all over Australia, and into the United States, Canada, and other prominent countries in the world. I've personally used these particular remedies, and I was very skeptical when I started. I was introduced to them in my complementary alternative medicine program, and I trialed them on my family, starting with some really basic things like could these remedies help with congestion of the cold? Could these remedies help boost the immune system when a flu came on or a viral illness? And were they in any way effective? And to my surprise and to my delight, not only did I find them quite effective, more effective than just a typical supportive therapy that I might find from common cold remedies that suppress symptoms, I really found that these small ingredients that are typically blended with a base that's made of glycerin and apple cider vinegar and distilled water were really effective, just as drops given several times a day or in warm water solution. So homeobotanical medicines are scientifically prepared. They're exactly the same every single time. So modern medicine can't say, well, you're going to get a different clinical constituents in each dose, because it's really not true. It's blended in a laboratory, and so the doses are the same every single time. The only difference in the homeobotanical blends are that the trained practitioners that have been through the homeobotanical courses, they will mix usually for the top 3 symptoms. And this is one way to strengthen your body system, but it's also another way to gently introduce herbal constituents that actually are designed like our medicine from folk days, to be able to have the body help rebuild and heal itself. So homeobotanical medicines are not new, and yet they're not well known. They are definitely part of what we would consider not a medicine, even though I've used that term. Really what they're supposed to be used as is food supplements, nutrient-based sources, and they're unique blends and quite effective.